Okay, friends, today I decide to make this popular challenge to eat only from 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is really popular here. I think there is no 7-Elevens in Europe. I don't know. You can find, if you're hungry or you need water or something, you can always go there. It's really convenient. Um, I think we need 7-Elevens, especially in my country, because sometimes, let's say in the middle of the night, you need something. So, you need to travel like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like this. Okay, friends, this is the first 7-Eleven that I will visit today. It's close to my condo. Let's see what we can find for breakfast. What we have here, we have this, how they call it? This 7-Eleven toast is very popular. There is many, I will show, oh my god, I will show later, but it's very popular. Probably the most popular thing in 7-Eleven. This is with egg tart. I really like egg tart dessert. And this thing is really close to egg tart, but it's bigger. Fried rice with Korean style chicken. Mm. I ask, is this spicy? They say no. So let's pray it's not spicy. Everything is very hot. One another thing I have is this protein shake. And I have this thing. Oh, what is this? Is this Chinese or what? Chinese? Oh, is this Chinese? Wonton with, okay, it's Japanese. Wonton with Japanese sauce. So this is Japanese? And we have this one. Matcha latte. Matcha latte. This is my first matcha latte ever. I'm not sure. Let's try it. Let's try. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my first matcha latte and my last matcha latte. I think I don't like matcha. Let's try again. I will go and ask the staff how to open this. And now I'm ready. Okay, let's try this, guys. Maybe it's a little bit spicy, but it's fine. It's fine for my standards. The chicken is not a lot, but they say rice with chicken, not chicken rice. So, yeah. And the price for this rice with Korean style chicken is okay. I can't tell you because everything is in Thai only. So I need to guess. This matcha latte is 55. Uh, Probably 45. Yeah, something like this. 45, but definitely you can get a better chicken with rice in more food courts, but they don't work 24/7. So, okay, friends, I'm done with the Korean style chicken, and now it's time to try this wonton. If I don't say it right, please tell me. But wonton with Japanese sauce. You see, wonton, wonton. It's okay. It says pork with chicken. Yeah, I can taste the pork, but I I don't taste any chicken here. It's not bad, but it's not something special. The Korean chicken was, like I said, a little bit spicy. Is okay, it's okay, but still, when it's spicy, my nose start to indicate there is a problem. And finally, let's try this toast with egg tart. I think I show you already, but it's really good. It's perfect. I love it. If you come to 7-Eleven and want to try their toasts, don't buy ham with cheese. Buy this one. This is the best. Okay, friends, I'm done with the breakfast. Korean chicken was okay. The other thing, Japanese, I don't remember the name, was okay. Definitely try this toast with egg tart. This is the best thing in 7-Eleven, 100%. Matcha latte, never again for me. So yeah, I'm done with the breakfast, going back to the condo, and next is lunch. Okay, guys, it's time for lunch, and I come to True Digital Park to check 7-Eleven here. Let's see what they can offer for lunch. I saw in one video pizzas inside 7-Eleven. I don't know. Is that in every? I'm sure it's not in every 7-Eleven, but let's hope they have pizza here because I want to eat pizza. If not, we will find something out, of course. Excuse me. Do you know where is 7-Eleven here? This way. Cup on cup. Let's hope they have pizza here because this is what I wanted to eat. But anyway, we will find something. Okay, friends, lunch is here. Let's check what we have. First, this macaroni with chicken. Macaroni with chicken. Let's try. Mm. Yes, this macaroni with chicken cost me 32 bucks. I bought this coffee, but I need to check what is the name. Let me see. Kutsan iced coffee. I think Kutsan is just like a brand. Okay, but Kutsan iced coffee. Okay, it's good. 7-Eleven never disappoints me with their coffee, except matcha things. Okay, guys, I'm done with the macaroni. I was hungry, so it wasn't hard. They were okay. Macaroni, just a normal macaroni. We have croissant croissant with ham and sausage. Ham, sausage, and cheese. Okay, I'll show you what. Uh, this ham looks strange. I mean, the color. Look at the color. It looks like it's very old. Let's try. Well, it tastes like it's very old. At least the coffee, it's very good. If the ham was fresh, can you say fresh for ham? I don't know, but it will be perfect. But now this one is with sausage. In my country, we don't call this sausage. We call it with different name. I don't know. The croissant. How the French people call this? It's soft. It's nice as a texture. I like it, but the sausage and the ham. mm, I don't know. Okay, I left one croissant, and now I have two desserts. This one, I don't know what it is. Chocolate pale, steam, chocolate pale, steam bun. I don't know. And this one. Let's start with the chocolate. This is what we got. It's soft. It's not bad. Definitely. I think I paid 30 baht for this. I like this one. And I have very big expectations about this. Please, please be good. This is how it looks. This was 20 baht. I thought there will be something inside, but no. It's only on the top. But yeah, I don't see anything inside. I like it, but they need to put something inside because it's a little bit dry. Except this part on top with the cream. I was hungry when I come, but after macaroni with chicken, after two croissant, and after one of both desserts, I think I can't eat anymore. Overall, macaroni, if you're hungry, they're okay. Croissant, you can skip them. Nothing special. Better buy something else. Desserts, this one, I like it. Very good, very good. Uh, this one, it's not bad, but it can be better. And like I said, coffee is 7-Eleven coffee. It's always good choice. 7-Eleven coffee is better than Starbucks coffee. Remember that in Bangkok. So this was my lunch. I will leave this I mean, I will take this home. Maybe eat it after 1 hour because now I'm full. I feel I just can't handle any more food. And I will see you for the dinner. Okay, friends, it's time for dinner, and I'm going to my favorite 7-Eleven. I know they have second floor. I know they have tables. Let's go. Let's see. Can I find pizza finally in 7-Eleven? I hope so. But okay, guys. No pizza for me. I don't know why I can't find pizza in 7-Eleven. No matter where I go, no pizza for me. So we got other things. I know today it's not my day. I came here because they have tables on the second floor and you can eat. And they turn off the lights. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. If you haven't tried, it's good. And I need a drink. Yeah, it's very good. I buy, of course, protein shake. Like I told you before, there is not enough protein. Let me shake. This is tomato sauce with shrimps. No, again macaroni. It looks like spaghetti, by the way. I will show you. It's not macaroni. It's spaghetti. Maybe Thai people don't make a difference between spaghetti and macaroni. Macaroni, spaghetti. It's hot. See? This is not macaroni. This is spaghetti with shrimps. What else I got? I have this roasted chicken with honey. Roasted chicken with honey. But yeah, I'll be honest. I take only things that I haven't tried before. But I don't see anything special. Like, I want pizza from 7-Eleven. No pizza. This is the chicken with honey. Smells strange. I pay 191 baht. Oh, this is 17 baht. This is 94. And what else we got? Oh, we got a dessert. This, what is the name of this? Oh my God. Some kind of toast, but I forgot the name. So, of course, everything is in Thai here, so you probably can't see it. So, this macaroni, spaghetti with shrimps, it's 69 baht, and this chicken with honey is 34. Spaghetti with shrimps, I don't know, nothing special. I'm disappointed from 7-Eleven today. I expected more. Okay, I'm done with the spaghetti. Definitely, I'm not impressed. Just spaghetti with tomato sauce with free shrimps. Let's check this chicken. It's a little bit spicy, which is fine. I can't taste anything connected to the honey. It's chicken with honey, right? But I don't taste any honey here. And I see this is fat, some fats, or I don't know, fats from the, you see? This white part, I don't know, this is some, what part of the chicken is this? This cost 34 baht. Okay friends, I'm done with the chicken. This dinner, for now, it's really disappointing. And this is the dessert I show you. It's like some kind of toast, Belgian or chocolate toast. I don't know. Maybe it's not Belgian. If you know the name, tell me in the comments. It's sweet and a little bit dry. From all the things this evening, this is the best. And when you combine chocolate toast with strawberry protein shake, it's getting very good. Yeah, definitely good combination. Okay, guys, I'm done with the dinner and it's time to get out of here because I'm full. I don't like everything, but I eat everything that I buy today. Okay, friends, this is the end of this 7-Eleven day. I'm disappointed. I traveled to a different place in the city just to check different 7-Elevens, and I didn't find anything special. Because I have 7-Eleven close to my condo, I can go free just for breakfast, lunch, and dinner today, and it will be the same problem. Anyway, I didn't like this challenge. I mean, I feel betrayed by 7-Eleven. So my advice to you is don't eat from 7-Eleven when you're in Bangkok. Eat only in emergency cases, but you have many better and cheaper options. Definitely, after one day eating only from 7-Eleven and walking around in 7-Elevens to searching for something, I can tell you, 7-Eleven is not your best option. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.